I will share with you on what are the guidelines that you can take to enhance your inspection process without going through a multiple same repeat inspection in this video. Yes, you only need one visual inspection station as long as you set it up properly. I've seen many manufacturers putting multiple repeat inspection process in productions in customers' warehouse and also at customers' line. Still, it is not effective to screen out defect. It's really a waste of resources. Many years ago, where the labor costs were low and in abundance in Southeast Asia or China region, most of the manufacturer will have a few inspection stations to inspect for the same thing over and over again. This means that the product will receive a VIP treatment of a few 100% inspection. Some of this is still in practice where manufacturer will set up multiple inspection stations and multiple points of inspections throughout the supply chain from their own factory to the logistic warehouse of the finished goods and at their customer site. The next questions would be, does the 200, 300% or multiple fold of visual inspections increase the effectiveness of screening out the rejects compared with a single inspection? For me, the answer is no. If the inspection process does not take into consideration some of the fundamentals, and this is some of the top reasons why a inspection process fail. I've made a video to explore the reasons of an ineffective inspection process, which you can refer to in the link below. Now, if you find this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more valuable insights and updates in manufacturing, supplier quality hacks to achieve consistently good quality products. By subscribing, you will be the first to know when I post new content. The number of inspections conducted on a product does not really increase the inspection ability to screen out those non-conforming parts. It is how the inspection process that should be set up, or the quality of the inspection process itself is more important than the quantity of the inspection process. I shall share the top 3 guidelines on how to set up an effective manual inspection process in the subsequent slides. Of course, there will be some exceptional case or the outliers where a product is required to be inspected quite a number of times. Usually this is for a very big complex product. Do share with me if you know of any mass production products which require a few times of repeated inspection for it to be effectively screen up the rejects. Tip number 1 for an effective inspection process would be the inspector training. Human eyeball is the most versatile inspection tools. However, training is needed to ensure that human inspection is effective. This means that you must train the inspector properly according to the inspection method and criteria, and let them understand what is a reject and acceptance criteria. This is followed by conducting an attribute GR&R or gauge repeatability and reproducibility studies to test the operator's inspection effectiveness, and it should be part of the certification process. Unlock all of my courses on Udemy for only $12.99. If you are using a mobile device, simply tap on More to review the special rate course link. Click on the link to view over 15 courses in multiple quality areas offered. For desktop user, you can scroll down and click on the link to download the course list. You can then click in the list to get the special offer rate. Do enroll in my course on MSA or Measurement System Analysis, which is also focused on supplier quality management and IR 4.0 at Udemy, an affordable course provider. This course is for quality engineers or supplier quality engineers, where you will learn to plan and conduct GR&R for both variable and attributes data, how to analyze GR&R results, and how to improve the measurement process to achieve the GR&R requirements, to conduct a supplier's audit in the area of measurement system analysis, and to set up GR&R in an Industrial Revolution 4.0 manufacturing environment. There will be 5 templates provided and an Excel format of calculation template where you do not have to go through the confusion of calculating GR&R, and you can just plug in the data and the Excel format will calculate for you. It also comes with an audit checklist for you to use for supplier quality audit in MSA. Item number 2 for an effective inspection process would be the inspection standard operating procedure or SOP. Before establishing an inspection procedure, you must define a clear operational definition on what is accept and what is reject for the parts, and document it with clear pictures and with limit samples, especially for those marginal failure. Then only establish the inspection procedure, which include this clear operational definition of inspection criteria where inspector can refer to. Ensure that the photos are clear and in high resolution color to define the acceptance and the reject criteria clearly. Item number 3 would be the inspection environment. It is very important to ensure that the inspection environment supports an effective inspection, especially the lighting condition, because visual is all about lighting. Most of the inspection require a bright lit area of above 100 lux for a general inspection of a physical parts. Some require special lighting condition, such as UV lighting, or for special areas of the part such as conformal coating. Some require a dark environment to contrast the part. This is normally used for an inspection of display parts which already emitting lights, and we want a contrast in a darker environment. It is important to ensure that the inspection process is properly set up and capture the above 3 guidelines which I have shared for the inspection to be able to effectively screen up good and reject parts. Inspection process is actually a check and balance process, and it is also the quickest way to protect customers from receiving reject. Human inspection is quite versatile and effective if conducted properly. I hope that you have enjoyed today's video. Do leave me a comment if you are making improvement after implementing some of the guidelines stated in this video. I will appreciate a subscription to these channels, and thanks for watching.